Hello and welcome to Princess Anne Center for Dental Arts. Today we're going to answer some common questions that people ask their dentist. Welcome, Dr. Oliver.
Hello.
Let's talk about a condition that a lot of people don't even know they have, gritting and grinding their teeth.
Gritting and grinding your teeth, or bruxism as it's caused by dentists, is a very common problem. In fact, as many as 1 in 5 adult patients have this habit, and it can cause worn and broken teeth, sore muscles, and many other issues.
So what can be done to help those who grit and grind their teeth?
Normally, we help the patients avoid the damage to their teeth by making them an occlusal guard, commonly known as a bite guard.
I've heard that grinding can cause migraines. Would this guard help with that?
Migraine is a complex problem, and bruxism is one of the triggers of migraine. The particular appliance that we recommend, the NTI, was originally developed and FDA approved for the treatment of migraine. If bruxism is one of the triggers of your migraines, the NTI appliance may help.
Thank you, Dr. Oliver.
Thank you.
For more information on how to improve your smile and your oral health, contact our office. We'd love to hear from you.